Class, today we learned parachutes help slow safe landings. Maps help teams solve problems and plan missions. Always secure equipment before transport. First find the problem before fixing it. Machines work best when every part works together. And remember, students, vehicles need fuel to keep moving forward. Class, today we learned that parachutes slow you down using air resistance. The larger the parachute, the slower and safer the landing. Pilots, soldiers, and rescue teams use parachutes to enter dangerous areas safely. Remember this, students? Controlling your descent is just as important as the landing.
Before any mission begins, you need a plan. A map helps us understand where we are and where we need to go. PT used logic and navigation systems to help recover the spaceship. Smart teams always stop, think, and plan before moving forward. Students, recovering a vehicle is not just about finding it. You must secure it correctly so it does not fall or become damaged during transport. Straps, balance, and weight distribution all matter. One loose connection can cause the entire mission to fail.
First step, students. Find the problem before you fix it. Many people rush into situations without understanding what went wrong. Good leaders slow down, study the issue, and look for clues. Sometimes the solution is hidden inside the problem itself.
Machines work because every part has a job. Engines, wires, fuel systems, navigation, all work together as one system. Humans are the same way. A great team succeeds because everyone does their part.
Without fuel, vehicles stop moving. Cars, aircraft, ships, and spaceships all need power to operate. Always prepare before a mission and check your fuel levels. A smart operator never waits until the tank is empty.